Hey guys, Tejas here, and welcome back to this new video. And in this video, basically, I will be sharing you how you can, create a directory website with this tool called SpreadSimple. So I have been using this tool, for actually my first directory product was built on this tool called SpreadSimple, and I also sold that directory for a mini four-figure exit. So this tool is quite simple to use. So that is why I will be sharing like how you can use it, to create a directory product. The tool name is spreadsimple.com, and basically you can like create a directory product just with a Google sheet, right? So yeah, so pretty much that's about it. It ran an AppSumo, marketing once, so I got a lifetime deal for this. And in this I will create a very dummy directory website, and I will show you how it works and how you can create a directory from scratch, right? So I have got this directory idea, so let's get started. So I have got this directory idea. So I run this blog called blog.directoryideas.ai, and basically, this is the tool that I run, and this is the blog that I run. And I keep, posting some interesting directory ideas over here. So this idea is geocache and adventure hunt hotspots directory. So I published this idea to my, free newsletter that I run. So you can like check it out as well. So what I will do is like I will get this idea, and I will create a dummy data for this, because I don't have a data for that. Because if I want to show this in this video, I will create some dummy data so that you will understand how it works, right? So what I will do is like I will ask ChatGPT to please create me a dummy data for this directory I am building, probably 10 to 12 rows for my Google Sheet, in so that I can just copy it. So I will just paste it over there, the idea, and mostly you should have the data with you. So yeah, so it will create some dummy directory data for me for this particular idea called as geocache and adventure hunt hotspots directory. So basically it's a directory that aggregates best geocaching sites, orienting courses, and urban treasure hunt events worldwide, right? So we have got this data over here. Let's just copy it in this Google Sheet. Okay, so ideally, I would say ideally I want with proper header column, so I can just copy it in A1 cell, right? So let's see, so that I can just copy it, right? Um, okay, splits into automatically. Okay, copy this, and maybe I'll just split this data. Yeah, so I got this data now. I have the ID, I have the name, I have a location, I have coordinates. I don't think I want coordinates, difficulty, description, and website. Yeah, pretty much that's about it. And maybe for images, what I will do is I will add. So basically, if you want to add images to your directory, you should add an image URL, right? So what I will do is I'll get some image from Google Images and just add it over here, like probably Shimla. So I'll get probably this image address. This will not work probably because we need a proper URL. I don't think this can work as well. Let's see if this work or not, or we can just do something else. Let's see. And now we have this dummy data with us. So what I will do is I will create a new website from here. So there are multiple templates, as you can see, for your directory, idea that you are building. So you can just check it out over here. So you have got AI startups. So this is the AI startups directory template, which is quite good. You can even like highlight a lot of interesting, listings. So basically you can get payments and highlight those listings right from here as well. So that you can, add that sponsored kind of thing on your directory. So I will create it from scratch from my Google Sheet. So I'll just paste the Google Sheet link over here. What I will do is like I will create this link. I will give the general access to it. Maybe I think editor access would be fine. So I'll copy that and add it over here. Right. So it's creating the directory out of that Google Sheet and it will be, live. So we have this data, we have this directory done. So I'll just publish it and I will show you how it looks like. And then we will optimize and, maybe edit it with proper details. Right. So I'll just open it over here. So see that the data that we added is already here. Now what we will do is, so we have the title, we have the description. Let's see what else we can add, right? So I will go in the, first of all, in the design section, you can design a lot of stuff over here. We have header, we have the footer as well, intro. So whatever you're seeing, now you can change from here. So you can change best, geo, caching, spots, directory, find the best geo caching spots instantly, right? And then you can like change the logo and all of that stuff. And you can even change the layout from here, right? And you can change the aspect ratio from here. You can add some content, right? So this is quite good. You can add that. Maybe you can save it. Then I will go to the content part and then go to the content options. So we have the name over here. We can add a subtitle. What subtitle we can add? We can add a location subtitle. Then in pricing, what we can add is difficulty. Let's add the difficulty level in the badge. So we have a badge section. We can add a difficulty over here. And then location, no. Yeah, so maybe we can add this location here and we will remove it from here. Now what we can do is, so there is a, a column called as website. We can add a website column from here. So what I will do is like, I will add a button called explore. And the link would be the website, right? So I've added an explore button for here. So once someone clicks, it will be redirected to the website that we have, right? So you just have to map your columns in this particular fields, right? And then you can even, have this layout changes that you can like play around with. I would still prefer this. This is fine. Then you can add search and sorting filter as well. So you can add here, you can add filters. What kind of filters do you want? Maybe in terms of difficulty. Yep. and you can enable sorting. So if you have any numbers or something like that, you can enable sorting, right? And yeah, you can even add map views. So for that, you need to maybe, add coordinates and all of that stuff. I don't want to do that. And you can even add paginations, of course. So if you have a lot of data, you can add paginations. So like if you have like 200, 300 rows, so you can say like, I just want to show probably 20 rows in one page and all of that. So I don't want to enable pagination for now. Yeah, these are access options. So this is like, these are sensitive columns. We can check it out later on. So let's just keep it simple for now, right? And I will save it, and I will publish it as well. And I will open it and see the changes that we have done. So as you can see, we have a working directory with us. So if I click on it, it will open this website, but this website, of course, is a dummy URL. And I have also, turned off the pagination for this as well. So we have a directory product working now. So let's see other options what we have, right? Other options would be, let's see what else we have. We have in settings, we have the general option. Okay. So you can even connect your custom domain from here. So whatever, if you have a directory, product or domain name that you have, you can connect your domain and it's quite easy to use. You can even, get this directory and use it as a widget and embed that widget in a particular, website that we have. So you can even do that, right? So that's pretty interesting. You can even add a custom, code inside this in the header section. So maybe if you want to add analytics code or, console code, and if you want to add that in the header, you can do that in the body, in the header section as well. And so next it comes the important part is the SEO stuff, the title and the description and all of that. So you can even disallow this. And one more thing, I will tell you about the SEO part later. You can even, get this entire directory with a password. So I'll show you how it works. So I will enable password protection and I will add some passwords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ABC 1, 2, 3. Please enter the password, right? And I will save it and let's see if it gets the content for us. So it has getted the content. Now I know the password like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and when I click enter, it will open the directory for me. So this is how you can even, get the directory from here as well. Redirect rules. This is different. Then we have social media stuff. I will turn off the password protection for now. So this is quite interesting, right? Then we have the pages. So you can even add pages over here. So it will be, shown on the top in the header part. So that's important. That's very interesting. So if you want to add like the about page or maybe a contact us page for a directory or any help page or, any sponsorship related, content. So if you want to add sponsorships, you can add a different page called as /sponsorship or advertise. And you can create this dedicated page in this particular section as well. And there are multiple add-ons that you can add. So we have a lot of stuff over here: analytics, Facebook Pixel, MailChimp, Moosend, MailerLite, Integromat. So there's a lot of stuff that you can like play around with and integrately. It's a great automation tool that I have been using quite lately. Access by email. This is quite interesting. So what this does is It gathers the user's email in exchange for the access to your website and shows the content only to the visitors who have provided their email address. So this is quite interesting. So you can think of it as a lead magnet as well. So if you want to collect emails and give them access to your directory, you can do that. And this add-on requires an email marketing services connected via one of the available add-ons. So in order to do this, you need to enable any email marketing service. So what are those? So email marketing service, let's see what are those. Maybe it can be MailChimp, it can be Musend, it can be SendFox, it can be MailerLite, right? So once you connect this, you can connect access by email, right? And to enable MailerLite, you can do, all of that stuff and just enable this. Go to API and create a new API token and add that. And then once you're done that, you can access the email. So once you have added this, people will come to your website. They will share their email address and they can get access to your directory, and the email is, saved to your MailerLite platform. That is the email marketing tool. So in this way, you can even get the content and, get access to those email, and you can then, provide, and share email broadcast to your email subscribers as well, right? And yeah, this is quite interesting because maybe you can get the content that way as well. Yeah, this is just quite good. And this is access manager, because I have not seen what this does, but maybe we can do a separate advanced video on this tool, talking about how you can properly maximize your productivity with this tool called SpreadSimple. But this video is I want to keep it very simple. I don't want to get into the advanced stuff. I have gone into the advanced stuff in my course called as rapcourse.com, where I share on how to build directory products with no code and AI, right? And I have a couple of chapters related to, SpreadSimple as well. So in that course that I have shared a lot of stuff on how you can create a membership, website for SpreadSimple, connect a membership platform called MemberStack and connect it with SpreadSimple. In that video course that I have shared a lot of stuff. And yeah, you can check this out, and it's quite I have slashed the pricing to $29 for now. And yeah, so you can check this out if you want to get into advanced stuff. But later I will do a separate YouTube tutorial as well on the advanced stuff. But in this video course, I have talked a lot on how you can build a directory product with, a lot of AI tools as well, Lovable, Bold.new, Cursor, and all of that stuff. I also have a separate YouTube video on how you can build a programmatic SEO directory. You can check that out on my YouTube channel as well. So yeah, so this was pretty, simple tutorial. And before going, I will also share you that I have a private community called themaker.circle.so. I will share the link in the description below. So here we will be talking about directories, vibe coding, marketing and growth, and all of that stuff. So if you want to, increase your knowledge about directories or vibe coding, or if you have any problems, or if you want to get some more knowledge about directories, how to build directories, how to build apps with vibe coding. So vibe coding is basically if you want to build apps with no technical skills at all. I will be sharing that stuff. You can join this community. It's absolutely free to join, and I highly recommend joining this, because I will be adding some free courses as well in this community quite soon. So you can join, and I will also be sharing some marketing and growth related tips. You can promote your projects as well. So the link to this community I will be sharing in the description below, the maker.circle.so. So make sure to join this circle community I have made for all of you guys. So I think I will keep this video quite pretty short and simple for now, but I just want to get you a general overview of this tool called SpreadSimple. I have been using it. It's quite easy to use. You can like for a simple directory product, you can start with SpreadSimple, and then on the later parts, on the later advanced stages, you can go with other tools like those AI tools to properly set up your business. But if you want to get started as a beginner, this is quite an interesting tool to get started, and I highly recommend starting with this tool, because I also started with this tool back in 2021, and I sold it off to a Canadian based entrepreneur. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I have like I'll share some tools that I've been building for you guys. This is directoryideas.ai. This is a tool that I built for all the directory makers out there. So you will get a lot of interesting directory ideas, as well as a lot of deep insights on each of the directory idea, as well as the niche. So make sure you get access to this tool. This is quite an valuable tool. And of course, I shared this video course. If you want to get upskill your knowledge on how to build directories, you can enroll into this course as well. Yep. So any related information I will be sharing in the link in the description box below, and see you in the next one. Thank you.